In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Google Sheets. If you've ever received a PDF with data you need to analyze or share in a spreadsheet, this quick process will get that information into Google Sheets with minimal hassle. We'll upload the PDF to Google Drive, convert it to an editable Google Doc, copy the data, and paste it into a sheet. Along the way, I'll point out a few tips to make the results cleaner and easier to work with. First, upload your PDF to Google Drive. Open drive.google.com in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Then, simply drag the PDF file from your computer onto the Drive window. You'll see an upload indicator, and once it finishes, the file will appear in your Drive. This keeps everything in the cloud and makes the next step seamless. Next, convert the PDF to an editable document. In Google Drive, right-click the uploaded PDF, hover over Open With, and choose Google Docs. Google will process the file and open a new Google Doc with the content from your PDF. This step uses built-in conversion, and if the PDF was created from text, you'll usually get solid results. If it was a scanned image, the quality of the text recognition can vary. Tables may need a bit more cleanup. Now, select and copy the data you want to bring into Sheets. If your PDF contained a table, carefully highlight only the table area in the Google Doc. Avoid selecting titles, captions, or footnotes that don't belong in your spreadsheet. Click and drag from the top left cell area to the bottom right. Then copy the selection using your standard copy shortcut. Then, paste the data into Google Sheets. Open a new or existing Google Sheet. Click the cell where you want the data to start, usually A1, and paste. The table will appear, but you may need to tidy it up. Adjust column widths so everything is visible, turn on text wrapping if lines are getting cut off, and check that numbers and dates are recognized correctly by applying the appropriate formats. If you see extra spaces or line breaks, try trimming white space and removing blank rows. For columns that merge during conversion, use split text to columns to separate data at commas, tabs, or custom separators. Finally, scan the sheet to confirm headers, rows, and totals look right. If your original PDF had multiple tables, repeat the copy and paste process for each section. And that's it. Your PDF data is now in Google Sheets and ready to analyze, filter, and share.